Good morning, my little scientists. How are you? Guys, I have missed you so very much during all of this. I have had a really great time hanging out with my family and playing games. I am sure some of you have done that. I've also got to sing with Miss Sandra and read with Miss Leah and grow plants with Miss Julie and do yoga with Miss Kristen. There's been so many fun things. So today I thought maybe we could do some science together. Do y'all want to do some science? All right. Well, first, here's my song.
Biology, zoology, even entomology.
She's been teaching science, all her friends and me.
Knowledge is power and science is the key. Look who it is! It's Miss Kimistry!
Oh, I've missed singing that with you guys. I hope you danced along. So today I have 3 simple little science projects for us, and this is likely stuff that you'll have at your house. You do need your mom or your dad to help you out with some of it. We're gonna do one chemical reaction. We're gonna build one simple machine, and we're gonna just have some fun and a little bit of nonsense. Y'all ready? All right. So these are all the supplies you will need for our 3 simple little projects. So we have a spoon, some rubber bands, a straw, a bendy straw, a pom-pom, 1 Easter egg, a funnel, a water bottle, a balloon, some craft sticks. I have several here. We're gonna have some, what is this called? Why can't I think of it? Some food coloring, good Lord, some food coloring. See, I need you guys. Some food coloring, some sodium bicarbonate, and some vinegar, all right? So out of this stuff, we are going to do 3 simple science projects. Okay, so for the first science project, we are actually going to use air pressure, so the pressure in our lungs, to make a pom-pom float and eventually pop out of our apparatus, if you will. All right, you ready? So for this one, we're going to use the straw, the Easter egg. Now, if you notice, my Easter egg came with a tiny little hole in it. All right, we have to have this little hole in it. If not, you can ask your parent to help you put a hole in it with a excuse me, with a safety pin. So, all right, we're actually going to break that in half. And we're going to use the side that has that hole, you see? And we're going to use a pom-pom. Now, you could use some sort of adhesive or tape. I'm not going to, but you could. All right, so we're going to put our pom-pom. This is hard to do with my one hand here. Put our pom-pom inside of our egg half. Put the straw in our mouth. Make sure that the hole on the egg is over the straw, okay? Yeah. I feel like Popeye. Let's see, y'all are used to me. Somebody's walking by looking at me. Hey, just doing science. All right, ready? Let's see if we can make this work with one hand. All right. This is not the easiest thing I've ever done, kids. Come on now. Oh, that was lame. All right, hold on. Okay, I got it. So I'm just put my straw right on the hole, my pom-pom in there, and we're going to blow right into the straw. All right, you ready? Did you see that? We made that pom-pom move. All right, here we go again. See if I can make it hover for a minute. Super fun, right? So all we're doing is we're using the pressure that we're blowing out, the air pressure that we're blowing out. We're blowing it through the straw and it comes through this hole and it pops that pom-pom up. And now let's do some hypothesis. Okay, so what do you guys think would happen? What's your hypothesis if I were to take a big breath and blow it out really, really fast? Would that pom-pom kind of float around or would it shoot out? What's your hypothesis? All right, well, let's see. All right, are we ready? Whoa, it shot out super far. You could even take some sidewalk chalk and see how far, you could measure how far you shot it out every time. So that'd be fun. That's a fun thing you can do. All right, so that's our first little project. All right, next, we are going to make a simple machine. We are going to make a lever, is the simple machine we're gonna make, and we're going to catapult an Easter egg across the driveway. Won't that be fun? All right, so what you need for this one are our craft sticks, some rubber bands, a plastic spoon, and your Easter egg. I'm gonna put this back together and then we're gonna get to constructing. Okay, so for this one, we need to take out 2 of these for later. So we're gonna set those aside, okay? And we're gonna stack these just in a stack like this, all right? Now, one of these, we're going to put perpendicular. That means it's like this, as opposed to like this. This is parallel, this is perpendicular, okay? So you're gonna make like a T, upside down T. And we're gonna put it, we're gonna leave one on the ground, make our T. We're gonna kind of put it like that, okay? And then we're gonna put these on top. And so what you have is one sticking out like this, okay? Now I'm going to put some rubber bands here and some rubber bands there so that it stays. All right, so let me do that right quick. All right, so now I've fastened it. I have rubber bands on each side, just like that. I have my stick sticking out of in between the first and the second one. I have a stick. So now I'm gonna use my other stick and I'm gonna put it just on top, but I'm going to rubber band it right here to where it has an angle. Let me see if I can show you all this. So you see how there's an angle? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put some rubber bands right where my fingers are. Okay, so now I put some rubber bands there. It kind of looks like a bird, right? Like, whoosh. So what we have made here is called a lever. So we have the arm of the lever right here, which is the top right here. This piece on top is the arm. This right here is the fulcrum. So we have a lever. Now, we don't need this anymore. So we made the lever, but let's take it one step further, shall we? Shall we make this a catapult? I think so. All right, so to make this a catapult, we are going to put our plastic spoon on here, and we are going to use a rubber band and fasten it on here, onto our lever, okay? All right, now we have our spoon on there. We have made a catapult. So what we're gonna do is take our egg and set it here. I might need 2 hands to do this, we'll see. We're gonna push down on the lever part, or the lever arm. What? And catapult our egg. So all you do is push down and let go. So fun. Now, let's see here. We can play with this experiment and see where the spoon is. Let's move the spoon. If we move it down, will that make the egg go farther or will it make it go shorter? What is your hypothesis? If we move this spoon down, will the egg go farther or will it not go as far? Let's see. First, let's remember how far it went at this length. Kind of just popped up on that one. Let's see here. Yeah, it kind of just pops up and rolls. So let's see, I'm gonna move the spoon down a little bit and then see how it goes. Okay, so I moved the spoon down and put my egg in my spoon. We're gonna push down on our lever. Whoa! I can't even find it. It went halfway down my driveway. It went way down there. So I don't know if you got your hypothesis right, but yeah, if the spoon is farther down on our lever, like this, it does go farther. It went way over there. I can't even see it. There it is, way over there. All right, so this is our simple machine, our lever, and we turned it into a catapult by adding a spoon and shot our egg way over there. Now, for y'all's favorite experiment, we're going to do our favorite chemical reaction. We're going to use sodium bicarbonate and vinegar, and I have a little surprise for you guys if this all works out, okay? So I have an empty water bottle. We're gonna use this science tool. Y'all remember what this is called? This is a funnel. And we're actually gonna take our spoon off of our catapult here to add, if I can get it off. Hold on. All right, we took, whoa. Took our spoon off. We're gonna use some sodium bicarbonate. Let me see if I can do this with my right hand here. All right. We're gonna put it in our funnel. Alrighty, we got the sodium bicarbonate in there after a huge mess, but it's all right, we made it happen. All right, we made it happen. So we got the sodium bicarbonate. Now, just for funsies, let's add a color. Let's do green. That's Miss Kimistry's favorite color, so we'll do that. All right, let's see here. All right, added a little green food coloring in there. Okay. We're gonna use our funnel again. We're going to add some vinegar. Let the reaction happen. Oh, no. All right, I put a balloon over our reaction to catch the gases. And it says, I heart you. Guys, I miss you so much. So the reaction caused all the gases to come up and fill my balloon. Now, if I put more in there and had a bigger reaction, it would blow my balloon up farther. But I just want you guys to remember that I love you and that I cannot wait to get back to school to hang out with you guys. All right, guys, I hope you had fun doing some science today with me. And guys, I just really miss you all my little scientists, and I can't wait to get back to school with you guys. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.